Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Webex MFA and role-based permissions for admins. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Webex multi-factor authentication, start by logging into your Webex admin web portal. Navigate to the Security section in the left-hand menu. Click on Multi-Factor Authentication to access the settings. Enable multi-factor authentication by toggling the switch to on. Choose the required authentication methods from the available options. These may include SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Save your changes to apply the multi-factor authentication settings. Now, proceed to set up role-based permissions for your administrators. Return to the main admin menu and select Users. Locate the user account that you want to modify. Click on the user's name to view their profile details. Scroll down to the Roles section within the profile. Here, you can assign roles based on the responsibilities of the user. Select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. Common roles include admin, user, and read-only. Customize permissions if needed, depending on your organization's requirements. Once you've selected the role, click Save to update the user's permissions. Repeat this process for any other administrators that require role assignments. For enhanced security, ensure that all administrators are using multi-factor authentication. Regularly review user roles and permissions to maintain security standards. Monitor activity for any unusual behavior that might indicate a security issue. Conduct periodic training sessions for your admins on best security practices. Document any changes made to user roles and multi-factor authentication settings. This will help in maintaining an audit trail for compliance purposes. You have now successfully authorized Webex MFA and configured role-based permissions for admins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.